Is my screen visible?
Yes, Shruti, you can go ahead.
Okay, so I've got the letter F. I've taken the vegetable Funiculum vulgare, which belongs to family Apiaceae. This is a picture of the plant, and the next to it is a seed. It's a picture of the seed, and it is also commonly known as fennel or somph. The classification of Funiculum vulgare, it belongs to kingdom Plantae, subkingdom Tracheobionta, superdivision Spermatophyta, division Magnoliophyta, class Magnoliopsida, subclass Rosidae, order Apiales, family Apiaceae, genus Funiculum mill, and species Funiculum vulgare mill. The plant parts used of fennel, actually all of fennels are used, the fronds, the stalks, the bulbs, and also the seeds. And the base of the plant, it looks a bit like celery, and the base of the stalks, they are all clumped together, and it has a whitish pale green color. And the origin of the fennel plant, it is actually originated in the southern Mediterranean region, and through naturalization and cultivation, and it grows wild throughout the eastern, western, and northern hemisphere, and it is specifically in Asia, North America, and also in Europe. The nutritional value of fennel plant is the fiber, potassium, folate, vitamin C, and vitamin B6, and also the phytonutrient content, which is seen in fennel, and it is coupled with its lack of cholesterol, and it also supports heart health. Fennel also contains significant amounts of fiber, and it decreases the risk of heart disease. The health benefits of fennel, it also prevents anemia, it helps in digestion, it works as an antacid, it is also an anti-flatulent, it is a laxative, and it also controls our cholesterol levels. It is a good source of potassium, and it stimulates the milk secretion, and it also induces menstruation. Thank you.
Thank you, Smriti. It was a very nice presentation, and with confidence, you have presented your slides. And as usual, all the topics were covered, like where it is occurring, how it is cultivated, and what are the nutritional value. All in all, it was a very good presentation. Thank you. If anyone wants to say anything, you can have 2 minutes. Thank you, Smriti. Yes, it was a really good presentation, and the way like the presentation was very in a one slide one topic is covered, and the another slide another topic is covered. That is also what I like. That individual slide has individual topics covered. So it was a very good. Asma, Asma, are you ready with your presentation?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, so you can start your presentation.
कुछ हुआ तो स्टार्टिंग में पहले ही बताती हूँ, सॉरी, मिस्टेक हो गई तो मुझसे, वैसे मैं थोड़ा सा नर्वस हूँ.
That's perfectly all right. You could be nervous, but anyway, you have to overcome your nervousness.
ओके, माय स्क्रीन इज विजिबल.
Yes,
हेलो.
your screen is
Yes,
visible. Go
Aarti.
ahead.
ओके. आई एम I don't know what happened. Okay, let's start. Hello?
Yeah, go ahead, Asma.
Yeah.
Okay. Ma'am, something went wrong. Let's start. My vegetable start with letter S. My name is Asma Sheikh. अरे यार
हेलो हेलो सुनाई दे रहा है?
Yes, yes. हाँ,
कुछ नहीं हो रहा. It's all good. Just go ahead. Okay?
ये स्टार्ट क्यों नहीं हो रहा लेकिन?
Start है, चालू है. It's on the first page. You have Popeye, right? सब बराबर है. तेरा
हाँ,
फोन
start.
लैग हो रहा है. That's it. And मेरा भी लैग हो रहा है. I'm okay with it. Cool? ठीक है?
Yes, yes.
हाँ,
फिर
चालू
से
कर.
स्टार्ट हो गया.
हाँ, स्टार्ट हो गया.
Okay.
कोई नहीं. फोन थोड़ा ओवर
Full
प्रेस
screen
कर
दिख रहा
रहा
है?
है. हाँ
फुल स्क्रीन में दिख रहा है ना?
हाँ, फुल स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा. तो चालू कर. कोई नहीं, तेरा फोन बेकार है. इतना कुछ करेगा उसको हैंग नहीं होगा क्या वो? हाँ, चिल मत.
मैं वैसे ही दिखा देती हूँ. चलो ऐसे ऊपर ऊपर करके.
हाँ,
Let's
चलेगा.
start.
तो ऐसे दिखा.
Okay. Can you see the man? Do you know what he likes to eat? Anyone?
यस यस पता है, पर मैं नहीं बताना वाला.
बोलो बोलो.
पता है.
पता है तो.
नहीं, मैं सबको पता है रे.
सबको पता तो let's start. It's spinach and common name is spinach and palak and botanical name is Spinacia oleracea and family it belongs to Amaranthacea.
तेरी वॉइस बहुत लो आ रही है, थोड़ा सा जोर से बोलना ना.
Okay. Now
Yeah, good.
origin is spinach originates from the Middle East, most like Persia or modern day Iran, and it was brought to Spain and cultivated from USA and around 1806. So it is main origin is Persia or modern day Iran. Next is nutrition value. Energy is 97. 97. Carbohydrate is 3.6 gram. Protein is 2.9 gram. Vitamins present in this vitamin A, B, C, E and K. Minerals are calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, potassium and sodium. Main is calcium, iron. These are the main. And production is the world production of spinach is about 26.3 million tons. This is the main only world production, with China alone accounting for 90% of the total. China, great. Uses are spinach is used to treat stomach ache, and gastrointestinal components are fatigue. It is also used as blood builder and the appetite stimulant. Some people use it to promoting growth in children and recovering from illness. It is most importantly used in salad. And that's it. Salad and references. Thank you. Thank you, Rashmi ma'am. Thank you, all of you. That's it.
Amazing.
Thank you, Asma. It was a good presentation. Though we could see that you are quite nervous in presenting, and I'm happy that your classmates help you out in this and you made it finally. It was a
Yes,
great
thank you,
presentation.
everyone.
only thing is that I didn't know this cartoon character, so I was a little confused. Which cartoon character is one cartoon character which I know right now is the Doraemon, and that is what keeps
Popeye the
going on.
Sailor Man.
Okay, I've never heard of, and
No.
since my daughters never watch it, so I also didn't knew it. But it was good that most of your classmates they knew it very well.
Okay.
So and Palak, I can't see that China may 90%. I was very amazed at looking at this because Chinese
Yes,
people they eat
ma'am.
vegetables.
Yes, they eat lot of vegetables like
This is also
green.
this is also I think a myth that they don't eat vegetables. We Indians only eat vegetables. So that was an interesting fact I didn't knew, and definitely Palak is one of my favorite uh, in the greens. When we talk about green vegetables, it's one of my favorite, and it's definitely awesome with paneer. Of course, my children eat it only with paneer. So palak मेरे लिए बचता है and paneer they eat it out. Good vegetable. I guess us and the boys they all should eat it. Who else have palak as their favorite vegetable?
मैम मी
Anyone?
मेरा
मुझे भी बहुत पसंद है
मेरा
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 भी
मेरा
Good, good, good. That's great. That
बहुत सारे
just they
पॉइंट
also
मैंने
different.
रिमेम्बर रखे
and your combination palak paneer is so very great.
Yes, yes. So thank you, Asma. We'll move ahead to our next presenter and Tanvi. Are you ready, Tanvi? Or I missed someone else's name. Tanvi, hello. Is she here? Yeah. Tanvi, are you ready with your presentation?
Yes, I'm sorry, my Wi-Fi connection went. One sec.
It's okay, it's okay. No issues. You can present your slides.
Ma'am, can I start?
Yes, yes, you can start. Your slide was visible.
Okay. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon to all. My name is Tanvi Sarke, and I have got letter E. I have selected two vegetables. First one is endive. So the order of endive is Asterales, family is Asteraceae, genus is Kikorium endivia, species is Kikorium intybus. So endive is a member of chicory family, which includes radicchio, escaril, freesie, and curly endive. It has a crisp texture and a sweet nutty flavor with a pleasant mild bitterness. It is a two-step growing. It is so special that it grows twice. That is, endive is one of the most difficult plant in the world to grow, requiring a two-step growing process before it is ready to be enjoyed. The first growth takes place about 150 days in the field, where the chicory grows from seed into a leafy green plant with a deep taproot. At harvest, the tops of the leafy chicory plant are cut off, the roots dug up, and then placed in a cold storage. As demand necessitates, roots are removed from the cold storage for the second growth, which takes around 28 days in dark, cool, humid forcing rooms, similar to a mushroom growing facility. Then the endive is native to South Asia, probably from the Hindustan Peninsula. Chicory is used, sorry, leaves are used in salads, roots are used in to prepare medicines. It is also used for loss of appetite. It is used in loss of appetite, stomach upset, constipation, liver and gallbladder diseases, cancer, and rapid heartbeat. It is rich in several micronutrients, including potassium, calcium, magnesium, folate, vitamin A, and vitamin K. It also provides vitamin B and vitamin C. The second vegetable is NCT. It resembles a banana plant. Its order is Gingiviales, family Musaceae, genus NCT, species NCT superba. The common name is cliff banana, rock banana, wild plantain. Its distribution is in India. They are common throughout the Western Ghats, Kolhapur, Mumbai, Pune, Nasik, Thane, etc. Uh, their seeds are specially used in treatment of diabetes and kidney stones. Fruits and flowers and pseudostems are used as wild edibles. So in Arunachal Pradesh, their fruits and stem are used as vegetable. In Assam, their pseudostems are used as vegetable. In Maharashtra, stem and unripe fruits are used as vegetable. And in Tamil Nadu, fruits, seeds are used as vegetable. They are highly rich in nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, iron, phosphorus, and calcium. They also have fat and beta carotene, which is considerably good quality. So it include to be recommended as a
Okay, what a nice presentation. It was really nice presentation, and I didn't knew there is a wide variety of banana also. So the raw banana vegetables, I guess what we eat is not actually the banana. So many new things even I am learning from you all, and it's very enlightening. And the way you have presented, Tanvi, if you are in the meeting, it was awesome. I liked it. You have not just read out what has been written, but you did talked about how that endive is being cultivated. So that is also true. I like in the present. I hope that you all are enjoying this exercise, because maybe we'll not be able to continue with this exercise in the future lectures also, because it takes a lot of time. But I enjoy doing it, and I hope that you all also enjoy doing it. So if the time permits, we may continue such exercises with you all. Who is coming up? Thank you. Okay, you are there. Thank you, Tanvi. I thought you left the meeting, because that is what message I got to on the screen. So it was very nice presentation, Tanvi. Um
Thank you, ma'am.
Keep the confidence high, all of you. So who's coming up next?
Ma'am, me, Janvi.
Okay, yeah. So Janvi, you can
Yes.
start your presentation.
Yes. Good afternoon, ma'am, and good afternoon to all. My name is Janvi, and I have got the letter D. Okay. So the vegetable name is daikon. Daikon is from family Brassicaceae, mustard family. The genus is Raphanus, species is Raphanus sativus, and its origin is North China. The plant part used as a vegetable is leaves and the roots both. It is low in calories, high in nutrients like vitamin C and folate. Folate means the foods rich in folate are particularly important during pregnancy as this nutrient plays an integral role in the growth and development of the baby. It is high in fibers and also may promote to weight loss. It also contains plant compounds that may help protect against the conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Daikon can be enjoyed raw, pickled, or cooked. It is an integral ingredient in Asian cooking. Daikon can be used in many ways as makes an excellent addition to salads, soups, and curries. We can eat all parts of daikon plant as well as its sprouts. Thank you.
Thank you, Janvi. Nice presentation and short and sweet. I didn't knew matlab, Rafanas or the Mooli, what we call it, is called as daikon. It's in Marathi.
No,
Can you put
ma'am.
some light on the
Actually,
name?
yes, Missy. Radish and daikon both are different. Mooli is what we call radish, right?
Okay.
So
So this is
radish have
different
strong,
variety?
yes, means radish have strong peppery flavor and it is easy to
Yeah.
grow and store. But daikon have milder flavor and a bit more work to grow and
Okay.
keep in the house. And daikon are white color and they are big, like in 7 inch or 18 centimeters.
Okay. So this looks so much like that to me. So I didn't knew the name. Okay, good. Something
Yes.
interesting to know. Yeah. Good. You all are researching on new things, topics, and so many new things we are getting to know. Very nice presentation. Anyone else has to say anything? Okay, so we move ahead to our next presenter, Ankita.
Yes, ma'am. Hello. I'm
Hello.
audible?
Yeah. You are audible.
Yes, sir. एक्चुअली
You
मेरा
can
ईयरफोन
slide.
खराब हो सो बीच बीच में डिस्कनेक्ट होती रहूंगी.
डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, सबके साथ होता है बीच बीच में कभी कभी. जितना भी दिखेगा हम देखेंगे. Your younger brother is there, I think, with you.
Yes, sir.
No issues. Hello, Ankita. Is she left? I guess because I'm not able to hear anything. Okay. Will you be able to present, Ankita?
Yes.
Yeah.
जाना है 3 का चॉकलेट. अब कौन काटा होगा? अरे 3 रुपया चिपका दिया. मेरे दुकान से लाना. पूरा पूजा करते.
Yes, you can start the slideshow.
मैम मेरा स्क्रीन दिख रहा है.
हाँ, दिख रहा है. You can start.
Okay. Ma'am, I am Ankita Kar and I got letter M. This is Napa cabbage and its scientific name is Brassica rapa and it is original from green disease region of India, sorry China, and it's light in color, green light color. Its shape is long, oval shape and consisting of tightly arranged and curly thick leaves. It is in sweet and milder in taste, and it contains 13 calories. And its major nutrients was vitamins, copper, iron, and magnesium, and vitamin C. And it has many health benefits. It also it is prevent from asthma, help with joint mobility, and to treat arthritis, cell development in expanded mother treatment of common cold and fight and damage. And it is also give relief to the diabetes patient because it has less carbohydrate content. And its description about Napa cabbage. Uh, it is mainly grown in China, but it is also found in all over the world. It is mainly found in America because there are a lot of who eats burger and it is mainly using that. And it is used also in salad. In China, it has very different names like pea suya, calorie cabbage, white cabbage, Peking cabbage, bone phone, and Napa cabbage. And in Japan, it also known by other names like Huko soya, Koi, Heshin, Pesai, and, and etc. It also has it has major two different types of it is has two different major type of Napa cabbage and chili and singfo. Chili type produces cylindrical, it has cylindrical type and it's long, 8 inches long and 6 inches broad in shape. And this is a singfo. It is a rounded shape with white spiritual leaves and it is a cool. It is cool. And this Napa cabbage is mainly grown in cool temperatures. And it is took very short days to grow. And it is normally used as salad and stir fry. Thank you.
Thank you, Ankita. It was a nice presentation. And I know, though giving the presentation is a nervous uh, moment for all of us, you did it well, nicely presented. And I hope you continue doing such things even in future and enhance your confidence in speaking in public in front of everyone. So, very well done, I would say. Good efforts on her part and good. Overall, good presentation, Ankita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anyone else has to say anything? Uh, I think all my students, they are doing extremely well. I would appreciate all of them. Still anyone else who is not yet presented? Who's ready with the presentation? Those who were not ready last time with some excuses. they should come up themselves, like these girls. They have themselves told yes, they have not presented and they will be presenting. And I'm very happy that you all are taking that keen interest from yourself. Now I don't have to push up. आप करो आप करो आप करो. मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा इस प्रेजेंटेशन में कि everyone was eager. आज नहीं कर पाए, नहीं मैडम नहीं कर पाए, नेक्स्ट टाइम कर लेंगे. बट यू आर डूइंग दैट. दैट इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग. और एक टीचर के लिए उससे बेटर मुझे नहीं लगता कुछ और हो सकता है कि जब आपके स्टूडेंट्स भी एफर्ट लेके कोई चीज करते हैं, भले वो छोटी चीज हो. यू नो वेदर इट इज अ वेरी स्मॉल थिंग. एक अल्फाबेट दिया है एंड यू आर डूइंग राइटिंग अबाउट अ वेजिटेबल, but still doing is what matters the most to me. So congratulations all of you. You all are doing exceptionally well. Still we have 10 minutes. If any one of you are still getting up the courage कि हाँ हम लोग कर सकते हैं, should come up and show their presentation, speak about it. It will be nice. It's not that I don't remember whom I have said कि आपको करना है, आपका presentation अभी बाकी है, because as you all must be knowing, it's all a recorded session. So yes, we do get to know who all are presenting and who all are not presenting, not keen enough to present. But then sometimes you shouldn't be very pushy. करो ही ऐसा. Let it be. Anyone who's ready can present in 5 minutes, or otherwise we are open for discussion. We all can discuss how you all are going through these circumstances and how you all are managing your work with this. So all my students, I would like to see your happy faces if you all are able to, or if you are feeling very hungry. 1 बज रहा है, भूख लग रही है मैडम, सुबह से उठते हैं हम लोग. So then also it's okay, extremely okay. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay, so I'm audible to 2 students. What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
I guess they have gone for a break. Okay, good, Shrutika. You all are hearing to it, and hope we meet up in our next session. You all also have your next lecture still at 1 o'clock. Or this is the last lecture for today.
We have lecture.
Okay, you all have lectures, so okay. Then you all can continue. I'll say today's session is over. In our next session, we'll start with our floriculture. The next topic, what we'll be doing is a floriculture. So you all can read a bit and come. And I guess our lecture timing has also been reduced from 2 lectures. We have only 1 lecture now. So now since we are done with this activity, what I wish that all of you just send your PPTs to my WhatsApp number if you all can. So I'll compile everything in 1 PPT. So first slide you all keep your name, your roll number, and then you can send your PPT to me. So I want this alphabet wise. Those who have not presented, but if they have prepared or if they wish to prepare, they can prepare and send me their PPTs directly to my WhatsApp number. So we will have a huge PPT, 1 combined PPT of this presentation, that is vegetable names. Is that okay with all of you? आप लोगों को कोई copyright issue नहीं है ना? हमने efforts लिया और मैडम को क्यों दे देंगे ऐसा कुछ? Anyone?
Not at all.
हाँ मैम है.
Okay. So what are the terms and conditions? So I'll write credit Jaymit.
हाँ
So will
मैम.
that
और मेरा ऐसा थोड़ा ये पैसे भी लगेंगे थोड़े ऐसा, यू नो, बैम्बू शूट्स के लिए ऐसा रिसर्च किया तो उसके लिए
पैसे भी लगेंगे? अच्छा.
हाँ, हर स्लाइड का मेरा अराउंड 50 रुपीज होगा. Just kidding.
First slide का 50 rupees. Okay. So if I find any buyer for your slides, then I'll definitely give you 50 rupees, but I'll charge him 100 rupees.
हाँ हाँ, आप अपना कमीशन निकाल लेना उसका कुछ
चलेगा ना? चलेगा. So first
हाँ.
find out the buyer for your slides.
ओके, चलेगा. हाँ.
Then we'll do that. Okay?
बाय द वे मेरा नेट अभी ठीक हुआ, मैं आधे घंटे से वही ट्राई कर रहा था, इसके लिए अभी तो कुछ बोला नहीं. सॉरी यार.
या हाँ, बीच में तुम्हारे कमेंट्स हम लोगों ने मिस किए. जिन लोगों ने आज प्रेजेंट किया ना, they must have missed it. So जैमित की तरफ से I'll say you all did really well today. Isn't it, जैमित?
हाँ, मैंने दिखा नहीं मुझे, बिकॉज आवाज बहुत ज्यादा कट रहा था, सो आई जस्ट वेंट बैक. थोड़ा सा फोन पे ऐसा देखा कि क्या हो सकता है, चेंज माय नेटवर्क एंड ऑल. ठीक है, बट आई गेस सब ने बहुत अच्छा किया होगा, बिकॉज मैम ने बोला तो सब ने अच्छा ही किया होगा. तो
मैम ने बोला तो अच्छा ही, definitely. So yeah, one more thing I wanted to share with you all, that will this be okay with you all, that these recording we share with you all so you all can see it later on, or should I
Yes, ma'am, surely.
Jemit का slide छोड़कर I was thinking of putting it up on a channel with a private link, so I can share that link with you all and you all can see that. अभी आजकल का ट्रेंड है, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, share, like, comment, something like this. so you all can
like, comment and subscribe.
हाँ,
Ma'am,
वही.
you have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, I have just created a YouTube channel.
Oh, great.
I did publish some of my MSc lectures on that, but definitely it is, I think, not yet public, because
Please share the link. We'll watch it.
okay. I'm what I'll say, I'm still novice in all these technical matters, ना. So मैं थोड़ा learn कर रही हूँ अभी नया चीजें. तो इसलिए मैं पूछ रही थी. So if I publish your recordings, so you all can also see. या मैंने मतलब presentation दिया था. Everyone said वो very nice. So this is what I was thinking, and I'll share the link with you all. So if you wish, you can share it with someone else. Otherwise, our group will be having the link with it.
Yeah, ma'am.
So-
Great idea.
Great. Okay, thank you, Aparna, for the encouragement. Yeah, sometimes we also require that. ना बच्चे पता नहीं कैसे लेंगे, how good they will take it in their style. So thank you all of you. We'll meet up again next week whenever we have our lecture. And till then, take care, all of you. So I'll say today's lecture is over. You all can leave the meeting and enjoy your weekend.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.